Rishi Sunak is a British politician who has served as the leader of the Conservative Party since 24 October 2022. He previously served as the Chancellor of the Exchequer and the Chief Secretary to the Treasury. He has been the Member of Parliament for Richmond since 2015. Each as a Prime Minister, he declares that he is humbled and honored to be elected as a leader of the Conservative Party. The United Kingdom is a great country that there is no doubt we face a profound economic challenge. He promises also to bring stability and unity and overcome the challenges and build a more prosperous future. He adds that he will work day in and day out to deliver to the British people. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Have a nice time.